Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a camera test of the Samsung Galaxy A11. And guys, this phone give you a triple cameras on the back, as guys you can see, and the main sensor on the back is a 13 megapixel. Then we have a 5 megapixel ultra wide as well as a 2 megapixel for depth sensor. On the front we get a 8 megapixel selfie camera inside this punch hole. And guys, this phone give you a Snapdragon 450 chipset with a 2 GB of RAM with a 32 GB of internal storage. And also this phone is costing around almost 22,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly show you the camera UI of the Samsung Galaxy A11. And you can see here is a camera UI of the Samsung Galaxy A11, and this phone is running on Android 10. And also we have a One UI 2.0 version core. And you can see here is your normal and here is your ultra wide. And you can see, and guys, I have to say that the camera app, it is not really optimized of this phone. I see some lag as well as freezing issue, but I hope it will fix with some software updates in the future. And guys, also we got a live focus as well as a pro mode. And you can see the back camera as well as the front camera only shoot full HD with a 30 fps video recording size. And you can also record videos from their ultra wide lens as well, which is coming at again 5 megapixel. And guys, on the front we get a 8 megapixel front camera in this hole punch. And the front camera also give you a live focus. Now let's quickly show you a lot of camera samples as well as video recording. You get a better idea regarding the camera performance of the Samsung Galaxy A11. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A11 with the back camera. And again, the back camera, it is coming at 13 megapixel. And let me know how is the video quality looks like on this phone with their main lens. And again, and the colors is also pretty nice on this phone, I have to say, according what I see on the screen. And also the HDR as well as the dynamic range is also pretty good on this phone. And you can see that I would say that the autofocus is also not pretty good on this phone. Now it is in focus. And now let's little bit walking around for checking out the video stabilization. Now let's running. Let me know how is the video quality looks like. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A11 with their ultra wide lens, which is coming at only 5 megapixel. And also you get so much area for recording, but the video quality, it is not as good as the main lens. But again, get ultra wide and you will be able to record more area a video. But the camera performance in the ultra wide is pretty bad on this phone, I have to say. Now let's little bit running, I have to say. And you can see, let me know how is the video quality looks like on this phone. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with 30 fps video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A11 with the 8 megapixel front camera. And let me know how is the video quality looks like on this phone. And I don't like the color production on the front especially, and also the HDR does not work on this phone. And you can see my face, it is almost black because the background it is so much bright. And now let's a little bit walking around. I'm just holding my phone with my hand, and let me know how is the video quality looks like. You can see. Now let's running, and guys let me know. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A11 with the back camera in night. And you can see we have some huge noise in the video, and also, and guys on the back we have a 13 megapixel main lens, and also we have a ultra wide. And guys also you cannot switch between lenses from normal to ultra wide while you're recording. And now let's little bit walking around for checking the video stabilization in night. I'm just holding my phone with my hand. Now let's running, and you can see. Okay guys, and this is a ultra wide video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A11 with their ultra wide lens on the back, which is coming at only 5 megapixel. And you can see we have huge noise in the video because the aperture size as well as the ultra wide lens, it is not really great for low light, but you get so much area for recording. And now let's again walking around a little bit. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with 30 fps video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A11 with their front camera in night. And again, front camera it is coming at 8 megapixel. And let me know how is the video quality looks like with the front camera. And the front camera it is not really wide, I have to say. And now let's little bit walking around for checking out the video stabilization. I know that there is so much huge noise in the video, but the camera performance it is not really good on this phone, at least in this price range. And thank you so much for watching the camera test of the Samsung Galaxy A11. Overall, I have to say regarding the camera performance, this phone gave you a very decent quality of camera performance in daylight as well as in night. But the ultra wide lens it is not really good on this phone, as well as the software on this phone. And guys, I feel many lags while I am using this phone. And also the camera app it is also not really optimized on this phone. And guys, also sometimes the camera app it is completely freeze. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the camera performance of the Samsung Galaxy A11. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And guys, give the video big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.